Bitwarden for Business Security Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're running a business, one of the biggest mistakes you can make is underestimating password security. Most people get this wrong. They reuse passwords, store them in spreadsheets, or rely on browser autofill. Bitwarden for Business is a password management solution designed to protect your team and company data. The surprising truth is how much control and visibility it gives IT administrators without slowing down employees. You won't believe how simple and secure managing credentials can be. Here's how it works. Bitwarden stores passwords, credentials, and sensitive notes in an encrypted vault. Employees can access it across devices, desktop, mobile, or browser extensions with end-to-end encryption. For example, a marketing team can share social media account passwords securely without exposing the master password. The platform also offers advanced admin controls. You can enforce password policies, monitor vault activity, and set up multi-factor authentication. Most businesses get this wrong. They assume employees will use strong passwords voluntarily. Bitwarden ensures compliance automatically. Another standout feature is team collaboration. You can create collections for departments, projects, or external partners, allowing only the right people to access the credentials they need. Reports on usage, password health, and breaches help your IT team proactively secure accounts. However, there are considerations. Employees need some initial training to use the vault effectively. Most people assume it's fully automatic sharing, and access management requires setup, though it's intuitive. In conclusion, Bitwarden for Business is a must-have for any organization serious about security. It protects sensitive data, streamlines password management, and provides peace of mind for IT teams. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of security and business tools.